into the star, walk the star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys, stop. Girls, move on. And swing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into the star and walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys, stop. Outside people move. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into the star and walk. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Top square. And 1, 2. Change. 4, 5, 6. Change. Swing for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side square. And 1, 2. Change. 4, 5, 6. Change. And swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All top the beat. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top chain. Right hand. Elbow. Back to the partner. And swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Side chain. Right. Elbow. Lovely. Right hand. Swing your partner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right to the beat. And 1 clap. Right clap. Left clap. Right clap. Left clap. Right clap. Left clap. Right at the end. Now, in the second part only, ladies and gentlemen, you have to bend your knees every time you clap your hands. Now, I'm giving you men more than one thing to think about. That might be difficult. So, you're going to clap your hands and bend your knees at the same time. Let's do the second part once more. 1, 2, 3. Bend right, bend left, bend right. And all that you're going up and down at the same time. Clap right, clap left, 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 clap right, elbow. 1, and 2, and 3, and left elbow. 5, and 6, and 7. From the beginning, and